everybody. This is DustyCircuit here at this is mostly to showcase the method that I have used to create the intro for my 50 subscriber special. This is basically the scene that I was at for the intro, though I had my shaders on. And basically, it's actually pretty cool. Basically, you press this button and this happens. And yeah, this is all pretty much just decoration, this kind of stuff around here, and I wasn't sure what theme to go with, but so since my base is kind of ocean themed, I kind of went with this. And it looks pretty cool. That's for a different project, which I might cover in a different video, we'll see, but anyway. This pretty much all this here is pretty much the whole thing. This actual contraption here I'm actually borrowing from, well, I actually got inspiration from Etho's Let's Play for actually using this. Basically, he had this set up in his base for an episode where basically he made like a wall that would change basically like when I had to press a button, and I've kind of rigged this one up to basically be sort of like a slideshow, but kind of using pistons. And it's pretty compact actually. It uses the concrete powder because it basically falls like sand does. Like before 1.12, this would be using probably either sand, red sand, or gravel, but of course now with we had the concrete powder, we literally can have colored falling sand, which is pretty cool. And basically, whenever you press this button, that powers this redstone, which then basically it triggers this piston, which just kind of cuts off this redstone, which then allows this clock to run. And then every time it pulses, this monostable basically shortens it to like a 2-tick pulse, which briefly unpowers this redstone, which then unpowers these hoppers briefly, and that basically causes an item that's in here to move down one hopper, and then every pulse it goes down another hopper. And then that basically whenever this loops around back to here, it disables the clock. And then it kind of gets stuck in that state until you start it again. Well, anyway, this will show you the working again, but this time from this perspective. Yeah, I see the item go there. Now the item's there. And then as you can see, it stopped this again. So that's pretty much all I have really to show, but well, this is actually on Artcraft Creative, so that this is what basically this is like all the plots in Artcraft Creative. And I'm really quite happy with this idea. I've kind of, as I said, I came up with this sort of on the fly, and I decided to go with it. And that video actually got quite a bit of views, and I'm wondering how many. I'm actually kind of curious how many views this will get. So, anyway, this has been DustyCircuit and Hotcraft Creative, kind of showing off my intro, how I made my intro for the 50 subscriber special, and hopefully you've enjoyed this, and of course like and subscribe, and this is Dusty signing off. Bye.